Are you ready to delve into the components of research in residential childcare? This presentation explores the essential elements of research, from types to tools and validity. Discover how these components empower informed decision-making in your projects. Before starting a project, understanding research tools is crucial. Different research types, data collection methods, and analysis tools form the foundation. Trustworthy data hinges on these components. This knowledge guides your project choices. Let's explore how these elements come together. By the end of this presentation, you'll critically compare research types. You'll evaluate data collection methods and identify analysis tools. Understanding validity and reliability is key. These objectives underpin practical choices in your projects. Let's dive into each aspect. Research projects consist of several components. Approach involves the type of research: quantitative, qualitative, or mixed. Collection focuses on data gathering methods. Analysis uses tools to interpret data. Quality ensures findings are valid and reliable. Understanding these helps tailor your project. Research paradigms shape your project's direction. Positivism measures objective reality, while interpretivism explores meanings. Pragmatism combines both, guided by the research question. Each paradigm offers unique insights. Choose a paradigm that aligns with your project's goals. Quantitative research deals with numbers and patterns. It answers questions like how many and how often. Qualitative research explores meanings and experiences. It provides depth and understanding. Both have strengths and limitations, depending on your question. Research varies in more ways. Primary research gathers new data, secondary uses existing data. Deductive tests theories, while inductive builds them. Basic research expands knowledge. Applied solves practical problems. Mixed methods offer both breadth and depth. Survey designs gather data from many people. Case studies offer in-depth analysis of a single setting. Action research involves cycles of change and review. Longitudinal studies track changes over time. Each design suits different research needs. Quantitative research excels in measurement, but lacks context. Qualitative research offers depth, but is harder to generalize. Mixed methods balance both strengths. The right type depends on your research question. Weigh strengths and limits against your needs. Saunders's Research Onion guides design choices. Start with philosophy, then approach, strategy, and choices. Time horizon and techniques follow. Each layer informs the next. This framework ensures a well-grounded research design. Consider a project on young people's experiences. A qualitative approach fits questions about meaning. An interpretivist stance seeks their perspective. A case study is suitable for small projects. Method choice follows from question and worldview. Data collection shapes research outcomes. Questionnaires offer breadth, while interviews provide depth. Focus groups generate discussion, and observation captures real behavior. Each method has unique strengths and limitations. Choose based on your research question. Questionnaires reach many, but have low response rates. Interviews are rich, but time-consuming. Focus groups generate discussion, but may miss quieter voices. Observation sees real behavior, but has bias risks. Evaluate methods against your research needs. Sampling determines data representation. Probability sampling ensures a representative sample. Non-probability sampling suits small qualitative projects. Purposive sampling selects participants with relevant experience. Sample size affects claims. Small projects require modest claims. The best method answers your question and fits participants. Interviews suit understanding experiences, while questionnaires measure frequency. Combining methods offers a fuller picture. Evaluate methods against your research question. Weigh gains and losses carefully. Good questions are crucial for data quality. Closed questions provide fixed answers. Open questions capture depth. Avoid leading questions to prevent bias. Keep questions clear, especially for children. A well-designed tool ensures reliable data. Quantitative tools analyze numerical data. Descriptive statistics summarize data effectively. Charts and graphs visually display patterns. Spreadsheets like Excel organize and calculate data. Statistical software handles larger datasets for advanced analysis. Qualitative tools analyze textual data. Thematic analysis identifies recurring themes. Content analysis categorizes content systematically. Coding organizes text for comparison. Qualitative software manages large text datasets efficiently. Thematic analysis is a key qualitative method. It involves familiarizing with data, coding, and identifying themes. Reviewing and defining themes follows. This method is flexible and accessible. It translates qualitative data into meaningful themes. Validity ensures you're measuring what you intend. Reliability ensures consistent results if repeated. A method can be reliable, but not valid. Trustworthy research requires both. These concepts underpin data quality and trustworthiness. Now, you can confidently design and implement your research projects.